Which method is better, sewing or ironing on a patch?
Hey there, welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll be discussing a common question that many people ask: which method is better for attaching patches, sewing or ironing? Whether you're into fashion, crafting, or simply want to personalize your belongings, patches can be a fun way to add flair and style. So, let's dive in and explore the pros and cons of both sewing and ironing on patches.
Sewing on a patch.
Sewing on a patch has been a traditional method for attaching patches to various fabrics for centuries. It involves using a needle and thread to secure the patch in place. Here are some key points to consider. Pros of sewing on a patch. Durability. Sewing provides a strong and long-lasting bond between the patch and the fabric. It ensures that the patch stays in place, even with regular use or washing. Flexibility. When you sew on a patch, you have more control over the placement and positioning. It allows you to achieve precise and customized designs. Versatility. Sewing is suitable for a wide range of fabrics, including delicate materials that might not withstand the heat of an iron. Cons of sewing on a patch. Time and effort. Sewing can be a time-consuming process, especially if you have multiple patches or complex designs to attach. It requires manual labor and some level of sewing skills. Permanent attachment. Once you sew a patch onto a fabric, it becomes a permanent addition. Removing or repositioning the patch may leave visible needle holes or damage the fabric.
Ironing on a patch.
Ironing on a patch is a relatively newer method that has gained popularity due to its simplicity and convenience. It involves using heat to activate the adhesive on the back of the patch. Let's explore the advantages and disadvantages. Pros of ironing on a patch: ease and speed. Ironing on a patch is quick and straightforward. It usually takes just a few minutes to attach a patch using this method, making it ideal for those who want a fast solution. No sewing skills required. Unlike sewing, ironing on a patch doesn't require any sewing skills or knowledge. It can be easily done by anyone, even without prior experience. Removability. Iron-on patches can be removed or repositioned more easily compared to sewn-on patches. If you change your mind or want to switch up your design, you can simply peel off the patch and replace it. Cons of ironing on a patch. Less durable. While iron-on patches can provide a decent hold, they may not be as durable as sewn-on patches, especially with frequent washing or heavy use. The adhesive can weaken over time, leading to detachment. Limited fabric compatibility. Iron-on patches are generally suitable for fabrics that can withstand heat. Delicate or heat-sensitive materials may not be suitable for this method. Potential damage. Applying excessive heat during the ironing process or using an iron set at a high temperature can damage certain fabrics or cause discoloration. In conclusion, both sewing and ironing on patches have their pros and cons. If durability and customization are your top priorities, sewing on a patch is the way to go. It ensures a strong and long-lasting bond, and allows for precise placement and design options. On the other hand, if you prefer a quick and easy solution that allows for easy removal and repositioning, ironing on a patch might be the better choice. Just keep in mind the limitations and potential risks.